Bapak.
Ya, sini bukunya. Nanti Pak tanda tangan didekatin ya ininya ya.
Siap.
Bukannya sini kita lihat. Yuk, oke, bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I call a cop. I don't call a cop. Do I call a cop? I am calling a cop. I am not calling a cop. Am I calling a cop? I have called a cop. I have not called a cop. Have I called a cop? I have been calling a cop. I have not been calling a cop. Have I been calling a cop? I called a cop. I did. I did not call a cop. Did I call a cop? I was calling a cop. I was not calling a cop. Was I calling a cop? I had called a cop. I have not called a cop. Have I called a cop? Had I called a cop? Terus I had been calling a cop. I had not been calling a cop. Had I been calling a cop? Terus yang kelima, I will call a cop. I will not call a cop. Will I call a cop? Yang ke-10, I will be calling a cop. I will not be calling a cop. Will I be calling a cop? 11, I am I benar Pak. Panik. I will have called a cop. I will not have called a cop. Will I have called a cop? I will have been calling a cop. I will not have been calling a cop. Have I been will I been have been calling a cop? Aduh, panik. Yang ke-13, I would call a cop. I would not call a cop. Would I call a cop? I would be calling a cop. I would not be calling a cop. Would I be calling a cop? I would have called a cop. I would not have called a cop. Would I have called a cop? Terakhir, I would have been calling a cop. I would not have been calling a cop. Would I have been calling a cop?
Betulin ya. Oh.
Alhamdulillah.
Oke.
Siap. Sudah Pak.